The Trump administration claims that these 60 countries failed to address forced labor. They argue that these new tariffs will balance out trade deficits with these countries, boost U.S. manufacturing, and protect American workers.
The specific authorities this administration is using have changed, but the trade strategy has not. We are committed to continuing to use tariffs and to negotiate deals to support the reindustrialization of our economy, protect American workers, and increase their wages, and shrink our trade deficit.
These new tariffs slap a 10 to 12.5% tax on 60 U.S. trade partners, including major allies like Japan and the European Union. After a 4-month investigation, the Trump administration says it found that these countries failed to curb forced labor, thus triggering Section 301 of the U.S. Trade Act of 1974 and allowing the U.S. to take action against countries that have a, quote, persistent pattern of conduct that permits any form of forced or compulsory labor. Many critics argue this is nothing more than a quote-unquote legal cover to push President Donald Trump's trade agenda. But trade experts say by checking the procedural boxes of investigating and proving these countries violated U.S. trade law, these new tariffs are less likely to be overruled by U.S. courts.
A court is much less likely to wade into because the court is open to saying, well, the law does X, Y, and Z. The court is less likely to say, oh, we don't agree with forced labor being a problem. We don't agree that you conducted a proper analysis. Courts don't like to do that.
So what do these new tariffs mean for you? Well, one trade expert tells me that you might not see or feel much of a difference when it comes to the prices you pay, largely because these new tariffs are replacing the old ones that just expired at around the same rate. Reporting at the White House, I'm Amy Liu.